All right, here is an inlet into a marsh, and this represents the dune system prior to some armoring along the North Shore. This is before a major storm surge last year on Thanksgiving. This is what it looked like immediately afterwards. And if we want to interact more with the data, before, after, and we can actually see there's a significant volume of material changed here. Okay, let's go over. Now, when we process these drone data, we first thought everything was co-registered quite nicely. However, when you inspect the data in VR, before the storm, after the storm. Before, after. When we're inspecting it here, this is actually a very useful process. Before the storm, after. So we can see how much erosion of material took place here. All of this material has been removed. Now, when we do look closely, however, we will see, for example, this structure here. We have a slight offset. Even though we've deployed targets, we do have a slight difference in the terrain model. The roof of the house stays the same. So it's a very good tool for quality assurance of these data and interacting with the change. Okay.